On this week's boiler tip, we're going to look at the McDonnell Miller 193, 194 float family. Now this is a 93 head because it doesn't have the sight glass on it, but the float head for the series is the same. And essentially we've got a two-part float head. We've got a switch assembly and we've got a float assembly. The float assembly linkage raises and lowers a magnet within this brass enclosure to actuate a whole family of switches, which we're going to look at. The 5A switch has two switch sets. Generally one's used for the burner control circuit and one used for a pump control circuit. So the 5A works pretty much identically to the McDonnell Miller 150. The big difference is this switch mechanism can be installed and removed with pressure on the boiler because removing the head's not required. So each of the switches has an indicator, and we can see as the level changes, the magnet will make those at specific locations. Another benefit to this is we can reorient this switch in whatever direction is convenient. I just prefer to have this facing outward so I can use the visual indicators. So this is for a safety circuit and for a pump on-off level control circuit.